Hey tech fans, welcome back to Phenom Builts. Today, we're diving into the 5 best Meat Thermometer 2025. From game-changing features to standout performance, these are the must-have devices you need to know about. Ready to see which one fits your needs? Let's jump right in. Number 5, ThermoWorks Smoke Thermometer. The ThermoWorks Smoke Thermometer is a standout tool for serious home cooks and professional chefs who demand precision in their cooking. Designed primarily for barbecue and grilling enthusiasts, this dual-probe thermometer offers exceptional accuracy and reliability. One probe monitors the temperature of your meat, while the other tracks the ambient temperature inside your grill or smoker. With a range of up to 300 feet for its wireless receiver, you can keep an eye on your food from virtually anywhere in your home, making it incredibly convenient during long cooking sessions. The device's user-friendly interface is another major highlight. The large backlit display is easy to read, even in low light or smoky environments. The controls are straightforward, allowing for quick adjustments to temperature settings and alarms. The preset high and low alarms for both probes are customizable, ensuring your meat is cooked to perfection without constant monitoring. Additionally, the build quality is excellent. The thermometer feels sturdy, with probes and cables that are heat-resistant and designed to endure rigorous use. While the smoke thermometer is undeniably impressive, it does come at a premium price compared to other thermometers on the market. However, the combination of accuracy, durability, and advanced features justifies the cost for those who take their cooking seriously. It's an excellent investment for anyone who frequently grills, smokes, or roasts meat and wants consistent, reliable results. Overall, the ThermoWorks Smoke Thermometer is a top-tier choice that delivers on its promise of precision and ease of use. Number 4, Ninja ProChef Wireless Thermometer. The Ninja ProChef Wireless Thermometer is a versatile and user-friendly tool designed to simplify cooking for both beginners and pros. This thermometer pairs with the Ninja ProConnect app, offering real-time cooking updates, recommended temperatures, and customizable settings. Its wireless design allows monitoring from up to 165 feet away, perfect for multitasking during long cooking sessions. The thermometer is compatible with various cooking methods, from grilling and smoking to roasting and searing, with a robust, flame-resistant build that handles temperatures up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit 370 degrees Celsius. Key features include a dual sensor system for precise temperature readings and a 30-hour battery life, making it ideal for extended use, such as slow smoking. Users appreciate its intuitive setup and ease of use, particularly when monitoring meat from a distance via smartphone. The thermometer is praised for its durability and accuracy, especially in high-heat environments. Influencer. Sizzle and Sear. Priced around $90, the ProChef wireless thermometer positions itself as a strong competitor to premium brands like Meater. Its combination of high-tech convenience and reliable performance makes it a standout choice for home cooks seeking to elevate their culinary precision, whether for a backyard barbecue or a holiday feast. Number 3, Meat Thermometer. The Meat Thermometer is a compact, affordable tool designed for quick and accurate temperature readings during cooking. It features a digital display that provides instant feedback, making it easier to ensure your meats are cooked to safe and desired levels. Its simple interface is beginner-friendly, typically including preset temperature guides for various meats, such as poultry, beef, and pork. One of its standout features is its portability and lightweight design, which makes it convenient for both indoor and outdoor cooking. Despite its budget-friendly price, the Meat Thermometer often comes equipped with essential functions like an auto shut-off to preserve battery life and a foldable probe for safe storage. However, it may lack some advanced features found in more premium models, such as app connectivity or dual-probe functionality. This makes it a solid choice for casual cooks or those looking for a straightforward, reliable thermometer without the extra bells and whistles. Number 2, ThermoWorks ThermoPen 1. The ThermoWorks ThermoPen 1 is widely regarded as one of the best instant read thermometers on the market, known for its remarkable accuracy and speed. It provides a temperature reading in just 1 second, making it ideal for quick checks during grilling, baking, or any other precise cooking task. With a high level of accuracy, plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit, it ensures your food reaches the perfect temperature for safety and taste. Its build quality is another standout feature. The Thermopen 1 is designed with a durable, waterproof casing, rated IP67, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The auto-rotating, backlit display is easy to read in any lighting condition, and it adjusts seamlessly depending on how you hold it. This ergonomic design is particularly appreciated by professional chefs and home cooks alike. The thermometer's functionality extends beyond simple cooking. It's versatile enough for tasks like brewing or candy making. While it comes at a premium price point, its performance and durability justify the cost for serious cooks. Overall, the Thermopen 1 sets a high standard in the category of kitchen thermometers. Number 1 Meater Pro Meat Thermometer. The Meater Pro Meat Thermometer is a standout choice for those seeking a truly wireless cooking experience. This thermometer uses a single probe that monitors both internal meat temperature and ambient temperature around it. Unlike traditional thermometers, the Meater Pro connects directly to your smartphone via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, allowing real-time monitoring and alerts through its intuitive app. The app's guided cook system simplifies the cooking process, offering step-by-step instructions and custom alerts based on your chosen temperature targets. The Meater Pro excels in accuracy and convenience, especially for grilling and smoking. Its sleek design includes a minimalist, bamboo-finished base station that doubles as a charger and display. The probes can withstand high ambient temperatures of up to 527 degrees Fahrenheit, making them suitable for searing and other high-heat cooking methods. However, the internal end of the probe is limited to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, which may restrict its use in certain high-heat environments. One limitation is the Meater Pro's range, which depends on the Wi-Fi setup and placement of its base station. While the app compensates with useful features like cook time estimates and resting time suggestions, some users may find the base station's small screen less practical. Still, for those who value precision and a streamlined cooking experience, the Meater Pro is a top-tier choice, albeit at a premium price. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. If you're interested in buying any of the products we covered today, check out the links in the description below for the best deals. Let me know in the comments which one caught your eye or if you have any questions. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech. See you in the next video.